What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Right Life Podcast. Today, I want to talk about two very important weight management strategies. Okay, if you follow these two strategies, you will get to your goal 50% faster than if you didn't apply this, and you'll maintain it a lot longer. Now, I just got off a consult with a patient. I did meet with her about a year ago, and I got her on track with the strategies provided in the time frame I gave her. Then life happened. Okay, I'm not going to get into the specifics of life, but we can all relate to the demands that come with kids, family, and all that jazz. But three things I provide every patient: a reflection on your goal. This is for them to answer on their own time. Okay, interventions to get things moving based on their lifestyle, and a 4-week goal. Two of those criteria are what drive compliance. The first one is the goal, vision, clarity. And the second is a milestone in a specific amount of time. These are motivators, okay? And it's absolutely necessary for any goal. This conversation prompted this brief lesson because a year ago, something allowed her to reach the number I set. And that was her vision clarity and the time frame. It sounds so minuscule and mundane, but it's so powerful when you're viewing the big picture. Just like any job, your tasks are driven by a big picture, broken down into smaller tasks, executed in a specific time frame. That's why we have due dates, right? I just wanted to share that with you if you can't figure out how to stay motivated. Just a reminder, this is all structured in the Berry Balance Blueprint course that walks you through your big picture in a 4-week metabolic reset, providing the questions and structure for you to stay on track, motivated, and learn how your body ticks. The pre-launch offer is still available at 50% off till the end of the month. I'm offering an additional 15% off. Go to therightlife.com, therightlife.com. At checkout, just use the coupon code RightLife15, RightLife15. I hope to see you guys inside. Otherwise, the first two steps: define your goal with vision clarity and set a milestone with a due date on it. I'll see you guys in the next.
This was another episode of the Right Life Podcast. For more motivation and future episodes with Alex, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any life-changing moments.